How to fix Lego Batman Legacy of the Dark Knight not opening after launch on PC. Step 1. Restart your PC. Close the game and launcher completely. Restart your computer normally. Launch the game again afterward. 2. Verify game files. Open Steam or Epic Games Launcher. Go to Lego Batman Game Properties. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. 3. Run the game as administrator. Right-click the game shortcut or .exe file. Select Run as Administrator. Also run Steam Epic Launcher as administrator. 4. Update graphics drivers. Install latest NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel GPU drivers. Use Clean Installation option if available. Restart your PC after updating. 5. Disable overlays and background apps. Disable Discord overlay and Xbox Game Bar. Close MSI Afterburner, OBS, and RGB software. Stop unnecessary startup applications. 6. Install DirectX and Visual C++. Install latest DirectX runtime. Reinstall Microsoft Visual C+ redistributables. Restart your PC afterward. 7. Delete corrupted cache files. Press Windows R, type sent local app data %, and press enter. Delete Lego Batman cache/config files carefully. 8. Disable antivirus temporarily. Turn off third-party antivirus temporarily. Allow Lego Batman through Windows Security. Relaunch the game afterward. 9. Disable full-screen optimizations. Right-click the game executable file. Open Properties, Compatibility. Enable Disable full-screen optimizations. 10. Reinstall the game if issue continues. Uninstall Lego Batman completely. Delete leftover game cache files manually. Install a fresh copy of the game again.